Hello and welcome to Healthcare 360. This is a quick demo of both the client and the website app. So a typical client would be obviously a patient. They would create an account and log in with their account number. The moment they log in, they will be able to see their previous visits that they've had, and they will have one choice right here, which is to see a doctor. So let's go ahead and say we want to see a doctor. The reason for this visit, let's say we have a fever and headache. You will note here that there's no payment information, so I'm going to click on that and put some payment information. Expiration dates and the security code. Once this information is done, I can continue filling in the information if I'm taking any medications. Let's see if I have any allergies. And height and weight and so on. Once all that's done, I can go ahead and check in. As I do that, the practitioner will receive a alert, and they'll be able to see that in the urgent waiting room there is one visitor and how long this visitor has been waiting. So they can go ahead and start the patient visit right now. So this takes them to the visit room. In the visit room they can see the patient. The patient is not aware that the doctor's in the visit room yet. The doctor can review some patient information and even begin taking notes if they need to. And when they're ready to actually see the patient, what they do is they hit the call button. So the doctor will call the patient. The patient will receive a phone call. So the patient will answer the phone. I'm going to mute the lines here to avoid the feedback. And because I'm doing this demo on the computer, I don't have a webcam, but typically at this stage the patient and the doctor are interfacing face to face. They can see and talk to each other. So the doctor begins talking to the patient and assessing the situation. They can put a diagnosis code, any documentation. Once all that information is filled, they may save the information at any time. So we can go ahead and save that information. And when the call is over, they just end the call. The patient will be sent back to their home screen, but before that they will be asked to rate their experience with this doctor. And so they will go ahead and submit their rating. The doctor will update the information still. Even after the patient visit, the doctor can request, for example, any kind of information they want to put in here. And save and close. So that completes the doctor's side of the visit. On the patient side, the patient can actually click on that most recent visit they've had and see the information that the doctor has entered. So that's kind of their visit summary is over here. they do have a link to call that doctor directly in case they need to reach that clinic again by phone or do a follow-up outside of this app. So the doctor side can also review the patient summary by going through here and editing that information. They can also print a report if they need to do that. So this generates a printable report with the same information. That summarizes the application. Thank you for watching.